What happened to your face? Why do you look like that? Tell me. Tell me what happened.
Dari nagkukuha ko ka na
Usa may magikuha.
make-up.
Kuha ato, haman nga makeup yung maghilabtan. Hala, let me see.
Kana.
Haman ana nga kana.
Yes. Kaya robot ko.
Ano naghilabot man ka?
At kana.
Di man ama oh, haman nang imong usa may magibutang sa imong face. Why did it turn red? Haman. Close your legs, honey.
This.
Balik na. Knock knock, this is a lip tint. Kung ibutang ni mami sa aping. Hala, side view. Ikas. Ay, nako. Di lagi ka maghilabot ani kay lip tint ni. Di ni basta-basta mawala. Do you understand? Lesson learned. What is the lesson that you've learned today? Out from the experience, what is the lesson you've learned? Baby. Ang sa'yo lesson nga na-learn ni mo.
Di na ako ma-makeup.
Di ka manghilabot sa makeup kit ni mami. Okay? Dapat si mami ra mag-makeup ni mo. Di ka magbuot-buot. Do you understand?
Yes. Mommy, can you wash my face, please?
Oo. Napa, oh. Mommy will fix your face na.
Please? Can you teach me? Please, Mommy. Please.
You wait lagi for mommy to teach you how to put on makeup. Pero dili pa karon. You're still a baby. Do you understand? O sige, put it back there na. Mura jud kag gisagpa, nak. You look so fun.